Hey, creative friends. Hey, Rebecca here. Hey, and it all started with this adorable little building blocks kit. This little lotus flower in the water garden. That's what started it all. And so now I would love to show you my new Temu haul. All the neat new things that I've just gotten from Temu. I looked into this company after I had ordered this, and they are going to let me try a few new items and show you. And then also I have a discount code for any of you that might be brand new to Temu. So my code is STAY954. So I just love watching these shopping videos where people show you what they bought. And so stick around and I'll show you what my first haul for Temu is like. Alright, so first up is some more fun things to show you. My little lotus flower needs to have a partner here, so I ordered another very similar kit. So this will be a lot of fun to put together. These pieces are very tiny. It's like a micro kit, so just, you know, probably older kids or adults, but beautiful pieces. And the instructions, of course, were very well put together and super easy to follow. So this is what this one's going to look like. So very, very cute. And they've got a whole series of these beautiful little flower kits. All right, so that was the first of 11 items. And I also got a second building block kit. And I can't wait to try putting this together. And it's in such a pretty box. And it's a little coffee house. So very, very cute. Alright, and so the rest of my items are nice, useful household objects. And there's so many different items on this site. It's pretty incredible. Even just kitchen items, there's lots and lots of options at really good prices. So I was in desperate need of some new cooking utensils. So this is got a nice container, and these are silicone topped cooking utensils. And just to show you one, nice flexible tip to it, but still sturdy, very sturdy. Some of the ones I have are so flimsy, so I'm ready to get some better ones here. So these are fairly sturdy, but still a little flexible tip. And then the part that I really loved was these wooden handles. So I am going to probably try to laser engrave something on them. So I'm going to get with my husband and try to get some really fun sayings to put on those. So if you have any good ideas, like have a flipping good time, or just something funny. But lots of different items here in this container. So some good kitchen tools. Alright, and then I desperately needed one of these vegetable choppers. I've never had one that was made like this. So it has the container and all the different blades where you can cut and slice different vegetables. So I'm looking forward to this as we're trying to eat more fruits and vegetables this year. This will be super handy. So vegetable chopper, and you'll be able to take a look at the prices down below. But that will be fun to try, and I may do another quick video short whenever I get some good vegetables in to try it with. And then these are silicone stretchy lids. These will be perfect for all those bowls that you have that don't have a lid. Or we have some old bowls that we've had for many years, and the lids are all kind of falling apart. So this will be a perfect replacement for that. So if you need to cover cans or bowls, these will work very, very nicely. Very inexpensive. So silicone stretchy lids. And this I am very excited about, a personal blender. And so these have gotten so popular. And then you can't beat the price on this. And so I can't wait to test this out. And I ordered the pink one. And it's a very pretty color. right, so I need to get this charging up, so I'll be able to try this out for you. Okay, and then I have just some inexpensive miscellaneous items to finish up. These are to go in the dryer and to help catch hair and pet hair. So yeah, I'm curious to see how well these work. I've seen these advertised at different places, but yes, we've got cat hair and of course human hair. So I'm really hoping that these will work great. So we'll give that a try later. These are chair covers, so they go on the bottom of a chair, and so we have some chairs that we use those felt pads for that they wear out really quickly. So these are supposed to be silicone feet for the bottom of the chair. So they did come in different colors. These are kind of grayish white. And just little stretchy feet that you can put on the bottom of a chair. So I'll be curious to see how well the chair still moves on the floor, and then how long these last, because our felt pads don't last very long at all. And I thought these were just adorable. They're little thumbs up cord holders, and so they've got a sticky back. You can stick them on something to help hold all your charging cords, and so we've got charging cords everywhere, and so this will help them from falling on the floor. You can have them holding on the nightstand, or wherever you've got some charging cords. That way you can just stick it in here instead of dropping it. And so these are adorable, super inexpensive. So thumbs up. And then some really nice measuring spoons. These are really heavy. And I definitely needed some new measuring spoons. Alright, so just to take it out of the box, these will work out great. All my existing measuring spoons were plastic, and they keep disappearing. Like we'll leave one in the coffee bucket or in the medicine jar or something, and then they end up staying there. So I needed some new measuring spoons. So, very nice. And again, they have a lot of weight to them. And then this is just that sticky tape. It's like double-sided sticky tape. And it's reusable. So you can tear off pieces. You can tear off pieces and then use it to like tape your remotes to the side of the TV, things like that. And so you can use it and then wash it and reuse it. So I'm going to be curious to see how well that works. So sticky tape in this particular set came in 2 different widths. Again, there's links to all these items down below, so definitely check out the prices. It is pretty amazing at how much inventory they have. I ended up with just these fun building kits and lots of household items. But there's crafty items and car items and clothing items and shoes and you name it. There's all kinds of things on this site. And so again, if you're brand new to Temu, then check out my code and that will save you 30% on your entire order. So some really good sales going on and lots of different options to choose from. Alright, so I'm going to give this little blender a try, and this is more of a juicer, so it says it won't work on grinding meat or nuts, but and probably wouldn't do too well with ice, but my go-to smoothie is really just strawberries and bananas with a splash of almond milk. I don't have any bananas right now, but I've got a few strawberries, and I'm going to put some blueberries in, and then we'll give it a whirl and see how well it does. So here we go. So we'll put some blueberries in. I'm not going to fill it up. I'm just wanting to test to see how well this does. So got some blueberries and some strawberries chunked up. And then let me give it a splash of almond milk. Alright, and it's kind of nice. The lid is in 2 pieces. So this would be a strainer if you were just using it for juice. And that way you could keep all the pulp out and then just pour out your juice into a glass. But the lid is two parts there, so you put that part in first and then the top. And it's got this cute little smiley face there on the top. Alright, so here we go. It says to double tap the button to start it. I think my blueberries have jammed it. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Alright, may take it a little bit longer than you might be used to, but I think it did pretty well there. Let me shake it and then give it one more spin. Alright. And I didn't have a full charge on it, I don't believe, so, but it seems to be doing okay. Alright. So it won't be the prettiest smoothie with that blueberries in there, but let me put the phone down so I can unscrew this. Alright, I just took both lids off there, so instead of straining it, I'm going to pour it all out here for you. Still some chunks of blueberry and strawberry, but again, if you don't want the chunks, then you can strain it. Huh. But you know, not too bad. Cheers. And then, of course, to clean it, you could just swirl it with some soapy water. Thanks so much for watching.